You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from French, and I believe it's been used in quite a lot of different languages. It's used in Italian, Spanish, and also English, but let's learn how to pronounce it in French and in English. French pronunciation is champignon. This means mushroom in French. Champignon. Champignon. In English, the pronunciation is usually as champignon. Champignon, from French, champignon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.